Welcome to JK Knowledge. Friends, today we will discuss December 2019 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that is CHG5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, today lecture will start in question number 3. Friends, let's start to understand these questions. Friends, this is question number 3. How is CH3CH2 CH2 MgCl obtained, and how can it convert to the following, that is CH3 CH2 COH? This is also butanoic acid, and CH3 CH2 CH2OH, that is propanol. Let's solve these questions. Friends, we know alkyl halides react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Grignard reagent is formed, that is RMgX. Friends, this is called Grignard reagent. Friends, but according to these questions, how this is product is formed, we put in R plus, that is CH3 CH2 CH2, this alkyl group, and in X plus chlorine is, when these alkyl halides react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether, the product is formed, that is CH3 CH2 MgCl. This is also called Grignard reagent. How to convert this Grignard reagent to this carboxylic acid? Friends, we know when Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide, this the resultant product is formed, that is MgX. This OH and this OH is join with this magnesium and form MgOHX. Friends, simply we put this CH3 CH2 CH2 in place of R, and in place of X we put chlorine. When this Grignard reagent react with carbon dioxide, MgCl, in the presence of water, friends, we simply this mechanism is follows, that is this is the resultant product. But in case of propanol, friends, we simply put this is Grignard reagent, when Grignard reagent react with oxygen, the product form that is RO2-MgX. When this R2-MgX is further react on another Grignard reagent, the resultant product form that is ROMgX. When this ROMgX hydrolysis in the presence of water, this OH is attached to this oxygen and form we simply follow this mechanism, that is we put CH3 CH2 CH2 in place of R, and in place of X we put Cl, oxygen. We simply follow this mechanism. We write like this. When this Grignard reagent react with another Grignard reagent, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 MgCl, the product is formed, that is 2 CH2 MgCl. When this product is hydrolysis in the presence of water, the resultant alcohol is formed, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 OH plus Cl. Friends, this is propanol and this is butanoic acid. Let's go to the next questions. This is question number B. Explain why 1-nitro-naphthalene is obtained on nitration of naphthalene at room temperature. Friends, in case of 1-nitro-naphthalene, the intermediate carbocation is more stabilized by resonance. And the transition state is a Floer energy. Friends, for this region, the intermediate is formed faster. These two regions, the intermediate form faster, and one position of nitronaphthalene is more reactive, so that and the one position of nitronaphthalene is more reactive. So that one nitronaphthalene is obtained a nitration of naphthalene at room temperature. Friends, let's try to understand it in the help of resonance structure of naphthalene. Friends, substitution of iodophile in first position. Friends, this is the structure of naphthalene. When naphthalene is go through iodophilic substitution reaction, this iodophile attack in the first position. This iodophile attack in the first position. This is first position. The next resonance is this pi bond is shift to this position and pi bond is formed in this position and this positive charge is come to this position. The next resonance structures is formed into this position and the positive charge this. The next resonance structure is come to this position and this is and positive charge is from this position. The next resonance structure to this. This is the 5 resonance structure is formed when this iodophile attack to the first position of nitronaphthalene. Friends, in case of first two structure, this first two structure, the benzene ring is intact. So this structure is more reactive. This first two structure is more reactive and its transition state energy is low energy. and the intermediate or carbocation is formed faster. But in case of second, when this electrophiles is attacked to the second position, substitution at second position is the structure of naphthalene. This electrophile attack the second position. This is the second position. Positive charge is formed in this place. That is E. Let's start to understand in the help of resonance structures. When this positive charge is converted to this position and positive charge in this position. This double bond, this pi bond, replace in this place and double bond. The next one is this pi bond come to this place, come to this place, and positive charge is formed in this place. The last resonance structure is possible. In this place, positive charge is formed. Friends, this is the 5 resonance structure is formed when electrophils is attacked to the second position of nitronaphthalines. But in case of second position, only one resonance structures. The benzene ring has a benzene ring intact. But in case of when electrophil attack the one position, there are first 2 resonance structures, the benzene ring intact, but in case of one structure is benzene ring intact. So friends, we conclude one position is lower energy and more stable carbocations, intermediate carbocation is formed. So, one nitronaphthalene is obtained nitration in the room temperature. Let's go to the next questions. Friends, this is question number C. Complete the following reactions. Friends, when furan is react with bromine, substitution reaction is formed. That is nucleophilic substitution reaction. The resultant product, that is, we simply join this position bromine. This is question number 2. When pyrrole is react with this compound, this is a ring expansion reaction. The resultant product is from this 5-member ring is converted to the 6-member ring. Which is formed. This is pyrrole. When pyrrole react with HNO3, product is formed, that is, this is a simple substitution reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. You simply join NO2 in these positions. Friends, this video is goes to bigger. We discuss rest of the questions in the next video. Friends, you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe, comment, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.